In 3D printing, precision and efficiency are everything. Yet many labs still rely on outdated manual processes that are slow, labor-intensive, and prone to human error. Introducing Phantom, Structo's automated 3D printing workflow, a fully integrated end-to-end ghost-in-your-system solution for digital processing that transforms how manufacturers and laboratories operate. The problem. Let's face it, manual file preparation, print setup, and processing of digital files take time. Technicians are tied up with repetitive tasks instead of focusing on higher value work. Turnaround times lag. Quality becomes inconsistent. And scaling your business? That's nearly impossible with so much human dependency. The Structo solution. Phantom combines intelligent software with Structo's high-speed, production-grade 3D printers. It starts with automating the digital file preparation process. The system analyzes each file, orientates the Z-axis, while adding supports to the part when necessary, automatically applies the right scaling factor, and intelligently nests all parts onto the print platform. Finally, the auto-nested image is sliced and saved in print-ready format, ready for printing in just a click. Next, the final print files are queued within Structo's file management system and automatically assigned to any of the multiple printers ready on the network, requiring minimal operator intervention and delivering consistently accurate prints in a fraction of the time. Key benefits. This end-to-end automation unlocks powerful benefits. Up to 80% faster digital processing times. Consistent, repeatable, and highly accurate results across all jobs. Reduced labor costs and human error. Scalability, grow from dozens to thousands of cases without overhauling your team or infrastructure. And it's all backed by Structo's expertise in high-performance polymer development and 3D printing innovation. Real-world impact. Laboratories are leveraging Structo's automation to stay ahead of the curve in creating new industrial and medical 3D printed products. Across the globe, manufacturers and laboratories are leveraging Structo's automation to stay ahead of the curve in creating new industrial and medical 3D printed products. They're scaling faster, reducing rework, and improving customer satisfaction while gaining back valuable time for their teams. Your next step: ready to automate, accelerate, and elevate your lab's performance? Discover Structo's Phantom workflow, your smarter, faster, and more scalable path towards automated 3D printing. Visit Structo3D.com today to learn more or book a live demo at cs@structo3d.com.